Hey loves, today we're gonna do the tiny hands makeup challenge. I don't know what I'm thinking. This is gonna be so frustrating. I just know it. These have like a no grip whatsoever. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? But I thought it would be fun. I laughed so hard when I watched Manny's. I have seen Jaime French's video forever ago and I remember thinking that was such a good idea and then I completely forgot about it until I saw Manny's and then I saw Raw Beauty Kristis. And I just was compelled to order these tiny, tiny hands. So we are going to do this. This is going to be tragic. So we're going to see if we can make this cardigan work. Oh my goodness, my face itches. Anyway, we're going to hop into the video. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To do this. We're going to start with foundation. I put lotion on earlier, but I'm not going to bother priming. That's not the fun part to watch anyway. Okay guys, we are going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I think I'm just going to put it on my hands and put it on my face. This is difficult already. That's all I've done is hold up the Conceal and Define bottle and I'm like, girl. I'm just going to wipe it on my face. Try and get it kind of evenly all over. Get some on my nose. Oh, you can see my hands. Ugh. So I'm just gonna get it as evenly spread across my face as I can. And then I just hit myself in the eye. I did it again. Ah! We're gonna blend it out with the Shop Miss AOA Studio sponge. So I'm just patting that in. Just hitting myself in the face as I do it. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna drop it. Cradle it in the eye. Cradle it in the eye. And then, oh, I just need maybe. Oh! And I feel like the sponge is the easiest part. Oh, shoot. We're getting this. We're doing it. Sometimes it's just better to move your whole face instead of the sponge. Okay. This is so splotchy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be doing this for like a half hour. In the nose crevice. Oh, don't lose it. I should have painted these hands. I think Kristy painted her hands. Oh my gosh, just roll the sponge. There we go, just roll it. Just roll it. This is fine. This is fine. Okay guys, next we're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Porcelain Beige. And again, I'm just going to use my hand because I feel like using my hand is the best bet right now. I'm just going to pop that on under the eye. Oh, did it right in that corner. Oh yeah. I think I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes with this too. Now I do have a little blemish down here. Hopefully there's enough left on this hand. Just smack your face. It's cool. Just come on and smack. I feel like I'm a newborn trying to use chopsticks or something. Oh, okay. Oh yes. There we go. And we're just gonna blend that out with our sponge. Just roll it. Just roll it. Just roll it across your face. That'll work just fine too. Okay. Literally using my eye socket to cradle the sponge. It's fine. It's fine. Getting it right in that inner corner, blending it out. Blending out. Wow. We are going to use the Physicians Formula Mineral Correcting Powder in Translucent. Use my sponge. I just tapped it in that powder and I'm just tapping it on my under eye to set that. Now this side. I'm wiping the foundation off my nose. Let's just tap that there too. Oh, this palette is just way too heavy with these teeny tiny hands. So we're going to use the Imagination Revolution Highlight to the Moon palette to contour. I'm just going to use the shade Literally. I'm just going to start down here. Oh my gosh, I'm going to knock it out. Knock it out. Knock it out of my hands. How does one do this? Oh, okay. Here we go. We're just going to slightly contour the jawline. because I need it. Oh, we're just gonna hold it right up here. Just right up here. And I'm just gonna contour the jawline. Okay, we're just gonna contour a little bit, as much as we can. Okay. Okay. We're doing this. Ooh, okay. She can contour. I think that looks good enough. Good enough for me. Okay, we are going to use the Lumi blush from AOA in Rose Dawn. Okay, and we're just going to pop it on. Just gonna smile and pop it on their cheeks. Ah! The I Heart Revolution Blushing Heart in Peachy Pink Kisses, and we're just gonna use that light shade on the very tippy top over here. We are going to just put that on the high points of our face. So right over here. Little on the tip of the nose. Oh yeah, look at us. We're getting this. We're getting this. And then right over here. Oh, dang. Apparently, this part I got. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, but my highlight, that worked real well. So far, that was the easiest part. She's a little wonky over here, but that's okay. Now we gotta figure out how to do brows. I saw Kristy, Raw Beauty Kristy, like put a brow pencil in the little nook right here, whatever that is, my little there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but I'm gonna see if I can find one that fits in there. Okay, so this brow pencil is a little bit dark for me, so we're gonna look a little tragic, but she's the smallest one I own and she fits in there. So we're gonna try. This is a MAC one in Lingering. I got it in a beauty box a while ago. I'm normally really close to, this looks real wonky, my mirror when I do this. So let's see if we can do this. I got it. Okay. Oh, that's a brow. That is a brow. Let's just focus on the bottom. And I'm cutting out of the screen, but I have to be so close to my mirror to do this. Okay, I'm gonna... Honestly, that could be way, way, way worse. So I'm gonna count my lucky stars and say that's good. We are gonna use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Armed and Gorgeous palette today because I can pick it up with my hands. And I just took a mixture of Access and Secure, which is like the yellow and one of the oranges. Put it right in the crease. Right in, just get it right in there. Just, oh, slid right out of my hands. Gosh darn it. And we're just gonna, oh, come on, just. Cradle's such a wonderful word, Manny. You did so good. Explaining what you have to do because you can't grasp it. You're literally like cradling your brush or cradling your sponge. Come here, little bugger. Come on, let's do this together. Let's do it. Oh, okay. Okay, I think this is a decent grasp right now. Okay, just move your whole head. I'm not center frame at all. I don't know what's happened. Okay, we're just gonna go back and forth with our face. Go over here, back and forth. We can do this. You and I. We're in this together. Us and these tiny hands. Taking a little bit of smooth criminal. Oh, just putting it right here. And putting it right here. And then just buffing it in. Buffing it in. We're doing this. Ooh. Going right arm down in here. You gotta make weird faces to get right to the right part of the eye. Okay, we're gonna take this tiny blender brush with those same shades and we're just gonna put it right under here. Maybe right under here. Slowly. You can see my hand, but guys, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm holding it. I noticed both Manny and Kristy both use glitter on their lids because it seems like a good alternative with these teeny tiny hands. So I'm going to take Stila's Smoky Storm Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. I'm just going to put it on my fingertip, I think. It's got it right there on my fingertip. And I'm just going to put it, just going to kind of blend it out a little bit. right in that inner corner. Just keep tapping. Not the worst, not the best, but I think we're gonna have to live with it because I don't know what else we're gonna do. Just gonna do the same thing over here and just tap it right on there, right on that inner corner. And right. When I normally do my makeup, I'm like so close to a mirror at all times, so this is like very difficult. Oh, we're getting there, you guys. We are so getting there. We are so getting there. We are doing great. You're doing great, sweetie. Okay. How, Manny? How did you do? How do what do? If I can get just a line across, like right here. Okay, we're just gonna. Okay. Ah! Right along that lash line. How did he do a wing? Oh, I'm so impressed right now. Look how messy my little hands are. We are gonna use the Revolution Mascara today. Shimmy it on. Oh, getting some lashes. Hey. I think that this is easier because the actual wand handle is a decent size. So we're actually getting a decent grip. And I'm just gonna use the tip of it actually. Oh, messing up. Okay, we're gonna try and do lower lashes. We're getting there. Oh, got some in my hair. Hopefully once, well, that's gone. Hopefully once this dries, we can buff this off our face. Not my best makeup look ever, I can tell you that. Oh, we are almost done. Come on, my old friend. This is Chauffer from Revolution. Let's see if we can just do this together. Tiny hands, don't fail me now. We're so close. Oh, okay, guys. I'm gonna say this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I didn't know how close I was gonna have to be, and it's really hard to watch the monitor, so I know there's probably times where like my tiny hands were cut off. But I hope that you enjoyed this anyway. I hope that you enjoyed this tragic look with some lashes and a little additional blending. Honestly, it wouldn't be too bad. But we can't do that with these. These hands, you just gotta take it as it is. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you laughed. I can't wait to stop holding these in my hands because they are small and they are hard to hold. But yeah, at least like, I mean, it could be worse. And again, just a little more blending. A little more blending and it would be much better. Alright, loves, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's any other challenges you would like me to do. If you guys do this video or you do this challenge, please tag me. Let me know. I want to see because it makes me laugh. I should probably go wash these tiny hands, you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Right up in here. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, you can see my hands. Oh no. Oh no. Want to move your face more than you want to move the brush, because if you move your whole face, then it just is gonna work so much better, right? So we are gonna use the Blushing Hearts from Revolution in pink. I think I lost my brow pencil. Why is this so hard? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what's even happening right now, but I'm just blending my life away. Blending. I got so much eyeshadow in my eye. Ow. I'm gonna do a line across you would think, I feel like I pulled a muscle like in my shoulder. Sometimes you just have to get makeup all over your hands. It's just the thing. It's time to snuggie. You knocked down my tiny hand.